Come here, Wiggles. Come here, what's this? What's this? Come here. It's okay, come here. Come here. This dog's getting bullied by the cat. Poor guy. Come here, what's this? What's this? Hey! Cece. You're kind of a bitch. Whoa, what was that? You're such a gangster. Don Corleone. Beat that nigga. Come here, Wiggles. What's this? Poor dog just wants his toy. He gives a fuck about this cat. Come on. Ugh. Come here, Wiggles. Come here. Come here. Cat's crazy. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. No wonder my grandpa told me never to trust a cat close to your face. These cats are hunters. They're unpredictable. I wish she'd hunt the fucking rats. This cat has a double chin. Don't you, Cece? Don't you? Yeah. You don't like that dog, do you? He's just a bit dirtier than you are.